Sometimes you stumble across something that makes you awestruck, that makes you stop and wonder. Chateau du Sailhant is one such place. Built on a volcanic spur over 30 meters high, this 1,000-year-old fortified castle is located in the heart of the Auvergne volcanic region of central France. The castle has a rich history, from being contested in the Middle Ages as a stronghold, fought over during the 100-Year War by the French and English, faced many sieges and refortifications throughout its long and incredible history. During the Renaissance, the classical detailing was added to the castle. The walls and its 7 towers were made of volcanic stone and the roofs became slate. After the beginning of the 18th century, the castle became a private home and was even used as a farm after the French Revolution. Today, Sailhant Castle is owned by Joseph Pearl Lombardry, an American architect specializing in restorations of historical monuments, who bought the castle at the end of the 20th century. Working with French professionals, Auvergne conservationists and craftsmen, it has taken more than 20 years to fully restore this rugged and magical castle.
I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.